What if I told you that the most powerful medicine in your life has been with you since the day you were born? Not in a bottle, not in a hospital, not in someone else's hands. It's hidden inside your own mind. And once you learn how to use it, your life may begin to change in ways you never imagined. Welcome back to Mindset Hub Tube. Chapter: The doctor you carry within a man spent years searching for something that could finally fix his life. He changed jobs. He changed cities. He bought expensive courses. He read hundreds of books. Yet every morning, he woke up carrying the same invisible weight: fear, stress, anxiety, and the constant feeling that something was missing. One evening, while sitting alone in complete silence, he asked himself a question he had never dared to ask before. What if nothing outside me is broken? What if I've been looking in the wrong place all along? That single question changed everything. Instead of searching outside, he started paying attention to the conversations happening inside his own mind. He noticed how often he repeated sentences like, "I'm always unlucky. Nothing ever works for me. Maybe I'll never get better." Those words had become instructions that his subconscious accepted without argument. So he made a decision. Every morning before touching his phone, every night before closing his eyes, he replaced those old commands with new ones. Every cell in my body is filled with peace. My mind is calm. My body knows how to heal. I welcome health, strength, and happiness. At first, nothing seemed different. But deep changes rarely begin with loud noises. They begin quietly. Week after week, his breathing became slower. His sleep became deeper. His anger became softer. His confidence returned one small step at a time. The problems didn't disappear overnight. But something more important happened. He stopped giving fear the authority to control his future. The human mind is like fertile soil. Whatever thoughts you plant repeatedly, it grows. Plant fear, and fear becomes your reality. Plant hope, and your mind begins searching for opportunities instead of obstacles. Plant peace, and your body responds with less stress and greater balance. Healing doesn't always mean that every pain instantly disappears. Sometimes healing means becoming stronger than the fear that created the suffering. Sometimes healing means waking up with hope after months of darkness. Sometimes healing begins the very moment you stop saying, "Why is this happening to me?" and start asking, "What new future am I creating today?" Your subconscious is listening all the time. It doesn't judge. It doesn't argue. It simply accepts the thoughts you repeat with emotion. So choose those thoughts carefully, because today's repeated thought can become tomorrow's reality. The greatest healing power you'll ever discover isn't hidden in a distant place. It has been quietly waiting inside you, patiently waiting for you to believe in it. If this message inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, subscribe to Mindset Hub Tube, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another journey into the hidden power of the human mind. Until next time, remember, the life you experience tomorrow begins with the thoughts you choose today.